Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I would like to share with you a much requested more details about my pleated face mask. So I have went ahead and made out a little pattern as a guide for you, and I have gotten to the point on this where I have ironed, I've stitched here, and I've ironed it and turned it over and pressed it down. Now I've put that piece over to the side, and when you go to my Etsy shop, and I've made these as a digital download for you as a JPEG because I don't know how to do anything else just yet. I'm still learning. Um, when you print these out, this is going to be your pleater guide, and this is going to be your pattern guide. So you can just cut this out. It's not really necessary, but you can just cut this little excess off. And then when you do your pleater guide, I did go ahead and print it out on a heavier cardstock. So I'm going to show you how to do your pleater guide now. Okay, so at the top, that first line, you're going to fold this top back, and you're going to crease it on that line. Then you're going to fold it forward, match up those dots, and you're going to touch that line. So you really want to just basically focus on touching the line and not the dots, actually. The dots just as a guide to tell you what line you need to be on. Fold this next one like this, and do the same thing. You're going to take it to that next line, match that up, and then crease it down. Once you've matched it up, just crease it down like that. Do the same to the next one. Match that up. Get that line, and then fold it down to the next one. Okay, and you should have this. So I printed out on a heavier cardstock, which it takes some time to kind of get those folds in. What you're going to do is take your piece, put it on the edge to that line there. And pick a line to have it touching on the side. So I'm going to pick this line, and then I'm going to line it up on this line as well. And this is going to help me on this end. So I'm going to line it up on this end on the same line on the side, and pin it and line it up on this end till it comes all the way across. And I am going to get another clip because I want 3. Here we are. I'm going to put that one in the middle. Now I'm going to go ahead and start creasing. And there. Now that I have it creased, let me make sure it's all creased in. Okay. Now that I have it creased in, remove those clips on this end. Put the iron to it. Take these clips out as I move along. And then I'm going to slide this out. Fold it back down. And press. Let me move those clips out the way. And this is where your other part come in on your face mask. You want to put it in your lining right here. Make sure that it lines up within your space from that line. So this part is your finished mask square. And you just want to make sure that when you put it inside this square, that it does fit. It lines up. Okay, now we're going to take this to our sewing machine. Okay, now that we're at our sewing machine, I want to give you another little helpful tip, hopefully. I took the side of the box of the Cheez-Its, any little box. You can get the cereal top box or something. And we are going to put this down beside here. Stick our elastic in on the side. Let's go ahead and stick that in first until we feel it touch. Put it under our sewing machine. And we want to do 1/4 of an inch from that edge. Now, this is where this is going to come in. I'm going to raise my presser foot up. And I'm going to hold that down. Bring this piece around. Tuck it in. Once I feel it, stitch. That's what that side looks like. And we're going to do the same to the other side. And my elastic is cut to 7 3/4. Okay, let me raise my presser foot, put this underneath. Bring this one around, put it in. And you don't need such a big piece of cardboard. I mean, mine is way overdoing it, as you can see, because I'm having difficulties. But I really wanted to show you this, and I couldn't find my other piece, so I just grabbed something really quick. And you are complete. That is the finished product. I hope this video was even extra helpful, and I appreciate you all subscribing to my channel. And if I can help you any further, please let me know. Till next time, bye-bye.